Here's a quick tip on drawing a series of frames that you can put pictures in, text in, whatever. Suppose you're making a catalog and you need to have 3 pictures across, or whatever you're doing, a magazine, etc. You can go to the Frame Tools. I'll click on the rectangle frame tool. Come where I want to start dragging. I'll click and drag. If you want to, you can hold the Shift key down to make a square, whatever you want to do. Now, the key here is this. I'm going to let go of the Shift key. If you want to make more than one frame right now so you can place pictures or text, use your right arrow or left arrow to increase or decrease number of columns, up arrow, down arrow to increase or decrease the number of rows. So I'll make 3, right arrow again, drag it across. Now, you can also change the distance between these, but I find this to be really cumbersome. If you hold down Control on Windows, Command on Mac, and press the right arrow, right, Control right, Control right, Control right, Control left, and this is Command left, Command right on Mac, you can kind of change the distance between. I think that's really annoying. So here's what I do instead. Let go of the mouse when you get it snapped in. You can also do this real quick. If you're dragging, if you hold down the space bar while you're doing this, you can reposition them, just like when you draw other things. So I'll kind of snap them in place. I'll let go of my space bar, let go of the mouse. You've got them. Go to the selection tool, the black arrow, by pressing V. Come to a corner down here. Let's see, down in the corner. Click and drag. Hold down the space bar. Hold down the space bar. Keep it held down. And you'll see you can change the width between them, or distance between them like this. So now what's really cool about this is I know I want to do it from the center. These were already aligned. So if I hold down I've got the space bar held down now. Okay, don't let go. Hold down Alt as well, or Option on Mac as well. So space bar, Option on Mac, space bar, Alt on Windows. And you can kind of drag from the center. That's kind of cool. So if you got the distance, it's not going to be exact. You're not going to like type in a value here. But I can drag it where I want it, let it snap to the edge, let's say. Let go of the mouse, let go of the space bar, and the Alt on Windows, space bar, Option on Mac. And I've got myself some frames.